Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the showdown between two heavyweights in the tablet world, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra and the Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra. Whether you're upgrading or looking to make a first-time purchase, this comparison will help you figure out which one fits your needs best. So let's break it down and see how these two tablets stack up. At first glance, the design of both the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra and S9 Ultra might seem nearly identical, and for the most part, they are. Both tablets feature the same sleek, premium aluminum build that Samsung is known for, with IP68 water and dust resistance. The S10 Ultra is just slightly thinner, but nothing too noticeable unless you're really looking for it. Where the S10 Ultra stands out is its improved durability. Samsung has reinforced the aluminum frame, making it 10% stronger. So if you're a bit rough on your devices, that's something to consider. The display is always a key factor in any tablet, and both models bring their A-game. The S10 Ultra still rocks that massive 14.6-inch AMOLED screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, just like the S9 Ultra. However, Samsung has added anti-reflective technology to the S10 Ultra, borrowed from the Galaxy S24 Ultra. What does this mean for you? Well, if you use your tablet outdoors or in bright environments, the S10 Ultra's screen handles glare much better than the S9 Ultra. It's a small but significant upgrade that could make a big difference if you're frequently on the go. Here's where things get a bit more interesting. The S9 Ultra ran on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, which was fantastic for its time. But with the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, Samsung has switched things up by teaming up with MediaTek and using the Dimensity 9300 Plus chip. Samsung claims an 18% boost in CPU performance, 28% in GPU, and 14% faster AI processing compared to the S9 Ultra. In real-world use, the performance boost is noticeable, especially when multitasking or running graphics-heavy apps. Plus, the S10 Ultra's larger vapor chamber means it handles heat better, offering smoother, sustained performance during extended sessions, whether you're gaming or working on multiple apps. Both tablets still come with the beloved microSD card slot, which is becoming rare in high-end devices these days. The S9 Ultra supported up to 1 TB of expandable storage, but the S10 Ultra takes it a step further, allowing up to 1.5 TB of external storage. So if you're planning to store a lot of media files, this is definitely something to keep in mind. When it comes to software, both tablets are running Samsung's One UI over Android, but the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra has a slight edge with Galaxy AI features. You get things like voice summaries, better handwriting recognition, and some fun tools like Sketch to Image. That said, many of these features will also be available on the S9 Ultra and even the S8 Ultra through software updates. So if you're not too concerned about having the latest AI tools right away, you won't be missing much with the S9 Ultra. Both tablets are rated for around 16 hours of mixed use, but the Dimensity 9300 Plus chip in the S10 Ultra is known for being more energy efficient. This could mean a slight edge in battery life, but it's not a game-changing difference. You can expect similar real-world performance unless you're really pushing the tablet to its limits with demanding apps. Now, let's talk about the price. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra still holds up as a premium device, and if you can find it on a deal, it's definitely a solid option. But if you're looking for those extra features like the anti-reflective screen, better cooling, and that beefier chipset, the S10 Ultra starts at around $1,199. If you already own the S9 Ultra, the upgrade may not be compelling unless you really need that extra performance or the anti-glare screen. But if you're coming from an older model or looking to invest in a tablet that's future-proof, the S10 Ultra is definitely worth considering. So, which one should you go for? If you're looking for the best Android tablet on the market right now, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is your guy. It's packed with performance, an improved display, and solid software support for years to come. However, if you already own the S9 Ultra, the upgrades might not be significant enough to justify splurging on the S10 Ultra. Both are excellent tablets, but the S10 Ultra edges out with its refined features and performance. Let me know in the comments which one you're leaning toward, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech comparisons. Thanks for watching. and I'll catch you in the next one.